finally I got my new Casio beater watch. It is the Casio MRW-200H. It is a Casio version of Breitling's Colt Skyracer. Basically, this watch has a 43mm width and the strap is about 18mm wide. Here is the side-by-side view of the Casio MRW-200 next to the Breitling Colt Skyracer. As you can see, they're almost the same. The dial design are almost the same. The bezel design almost the same. The only difference is the Breitling has the 24-hour numbers in red, and Casio has the top marking in red. But Casio has a date display. Breitling only has the date display. To compare the sizes, here is my old Tough Solar Casio, my old beater. This is the new beater. So this is 43. This one is about 50 from edge to edge. Okay. Here's my old Invicta diver watch. And it's way thicker than this, heavier. Even though it's made of titanium, you can see how thick that is, and it's very heavy as well compared to this Casio. And this one is about 55, including the crown. So yeah, so this one's humongous. Even on my 7¼ wrist, it is humongous. This watch actually is very similar to my Casio Edifice Casio, which I think this is the real Casio, not the G-Shock Casio, but this is actually the real Casio, and I'm going to do a review on this soon. It has the power reserve, it's a solar powered watch, and it has a power reserve and a sapphire glass as well. A really nice one, and very, very thin. But it's almost the same. Yeah, it's almost the same. But anyway, so 43 is about the smallest watch I can wear, not because the case width is the dial. If the dial gets any smaller, it is really hard to read. And I can't see the date display. It's almost useless. So 43 is about the smallest I would go on a 7¼ wrist. There you go. So anyway, I took the original straps off, and I'm gonna install the adapters, 3D print adapters that I purchased from Esty, and then I'm gonna put the NATO straps on. Here are the NATO strap adapters I ordered from Esty, and they're really cool. You can the order link is below, and just go order. It's not that expensive. They're about $4.99 each pair, including the shipping, and the quality is really good. The one I ordered is made of PLA, and the seller also makes them in resin, I think, for different models. But yeah, he has tons of different models for different Casios, and also different colors: clear, blue, yellow, pink, anything you want, he has them. And the service is really good. Shipping's really fast, and there are 3 different kinds for this watch, and I received 2 different kinds. The one has the spring bar printed in or built in, I guess, and the other one's very similar to this, but it's a little bit thicker here. And the second type I received is without the spring bar. So I actually went out, bought the spring bar so I can use, leather straps later on or other types of straps. But this gives you a little bit more flexibility, but you need to have 2 spring bars. One is here for the 18mm, and here's for the 22mm. So I'm going to install this one, and I'm going to put this one in, and then I'm going to put my NATO strap in, and you'll see what it looks like on my wrist. It looks really, really good. It feels like a complete different watch. So here's what it looks like after the adapters being installed. And here it is, the finished product. I think khaki looks really good. I think I like the khaki the best, but they all look good. So go get it and have fun. Thank you for watching.